Hi there, I'm Sander, founder of Socialjuice, and let me show you all around the platform in just a couple of minutes, because yes, that's just all it takes. The goal of Socialjuice is to increase your conversion, your sales, using social proof. Social proof is basically using what other people are saying about your business in order to convince new ones that your current customers are really happy with your product or service. That's why every website has a section that says, this is what our clients say, but that doesn't really work anymore, does it? It has some text that you've probably written yourselves, and your customers know it. That's why you want to show off video testimonials and social reviews on your website. And these are just some of the examples. Just look at this. This has a whole other vibe. These are smiling people talking positively about your business. It makes a whole lot of a difference. This is our slider widget. This is our wall of love widget. This is what all the cool startups have nowadays. They have a grid like this with imported social reviews. Like this one is from Trustpilot, and they have video testimonials. If you've ever wondered how they're doing it, it's with a tool like this. And this is our newest edition. This is the deluxe video testimonial widget. And look what a beauty it is. You want this on your website, don't you? Let me show you how it's done. If you log into Socialjuice for the first time, this is what you'll see. You don't have any testimonials on here yet. You'll want to start with importing your current reviews from all over the web. There's probably some on Facebook, there's probably some on Google, maybe someone sent you an email once with very positive words. It doesn't really matter, we want to show it all on your website. So you'll start by clicking here, import testimonial, and you can import testimonials and reviews from all of these platforms. There are over 15. Even if it's from a different platform that it's not on here, you can just use the text testimonial and get it on here. The second way is you can use Socialjuice to collect new testimonials. And this is one of the best features of Socialjuice. You press this button, collect new testimonials, and you want to share your personal testimonial collection link with your clients. This is what that page looks like. It's very easy, it's zero distraction. It says, this is what we expect from you, this is what you can talk about, please record a video or choose for text. That's all it takes. It's very easy, it's zero distraction, and that's important. Another cool thing is you can totally customize this page. I made another example just to show you how different it can look. You can add your own colors, you can add your own visuals, you can add your logo, you can even have a custom domain. It's really up to you. You can make it the totally branded experience for your customers, which is very nice actually. Once you have collected some testimonials, they'll show up in your dashboard like this. If you want to use them for anything else than on your website, you can just come down here and download them as an MP4 file. You can also download an automatically generated GIF thumbnail, which you can use in email marketing, and it dramatically increases your click-through rate. Once a testimonial comes in, you'll get an email automatically notifying you, and it's not public by default, which is nice because anyone can upload anything they want. So you'll want to come in here and you want to check it out first. If you like what you see, you can press this button to make it public and it will automatically be included on your website. Let me show you how that works. Once you have a couple of testimonials you would like to show off on your website, you can press this button, all testimonial widgets, and you can choose one of the examples we talked about earlier. The cool thing is we're using web standards. These work on any platform. It doesn't matter whether your website is made with WordPress or Shopify or Framer or Notion, it doesn't matter, it works everywhere. Let me show you how. This is Framer, this is a website builder. Again, it works everywhere, I'm just using this as an example. Let me show you how easy it is. I'm coming here, I add a new section. I want to embed something, so I drag it in here. I go to Socialjuice, I click on the widgets, then I choose the one I like. I'm of course going for the new deluxe video testimonial widget. You can see a preview here and you can change all of the settings down below, but I'm gonna keep it as it is and I'm gonna copy the snippet by pressing this button. I can just come back here and paste it in, and boom, that's it. I can now press play to watch the new version of the website. And as you can see, the widget is in there and it's beautiful. That's all it takes. There are no technical skills required. It's important to know that if you cannot figure it out, you can just contact us and we'll help you happily. You can just email me directly at sander@socialjuice.io and I will help you. Of course, we practice what we preach. If you want to know what people are saying about Socialjuice, just go to our website, scroll down, and watch these incredible testimonial videos people left for us. They do not only say why you need Socialjuice, but they also demonstrate their power and why you need them for your business. That's it. That's Socialjuice in a nutshell. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just use our support chat or reach out to me directly at sander@socialjuice.io. I'll help you. See you then. Good luck.